Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Reddit account step by step. Before you continue, keep in mind that deleting your Reddit account is permanent and cannot be undone. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Reddit website. Sign in to the Reddit account you want to delete. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the Settings page, click on the Account tab if it's not already selected. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Locate the Delete Account section. Click on Delete Account. A confirmation window will appear. Enter your Reddit username and password if prompted. You can also provide a reason for deleting your account, although this step is optional. Next, check the box confirming that you understand deleted accounts cannot be recovered. Finally, click Delete. A final confirmation message may appear. Click Delete Account to permanently remove your Reddit account. Once the process is complete, you'll be signed out automatically and your Reddit account will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action cannot be reversed, and you'll no longer be able to access your account or its settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to permanently delete your Reddit account. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Reddit tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.